In this video, we are going to talk about the manual pitch correction option in Cubase. Double-click on the audio clip to be pitch corrected. You'll get a sample editor window at the bottom, and I'll open it as a separate window. In the left section, you'll see an expandable tab called Vari Audio. Expand it and turn on Edit Vari Audio by clicking on the cursor button there. You see starting point and the ending point of our audio clip. After turning on the Vari Audio, you will see the notes aligned with the keyboard at the left. Those are the notes based on the frequencies of our audio clip. Let's play the audio and check for the notes required to be corrected. I feel the B note there is a bit sharp. I just have to click and drag down a bit. It will move the note to the nearest mapped note. Also, it's possible to straighten the curve of any note. You can even split an auto-generated note like this and place them as two or more notes. Keep in mind, a pitch correction tool should be used only to correct mistakes and imperfections. Overusing this will add some robotic artificial color to your recording.